Today, I'm styling these muted red espadrilles by La Manual Alpargateria. They're a small Barcelona-based design studio. They sent these over a couple days ago. I started wearing them yesterday. I've been loving them ever since. They go really well with some of my blue outfits. So let's get into it. This is a really fun little lace shirt. I got it on Amazon. It's turning fall now, so I won't be able to wear it for too much longer, but while I got it, I'm gonna use it. Unfortunately, it's starting to rip in areas like this, so I think it might only have one more summer left in it, but we'll use it while we got it. I found that with these, the tiny little socks that like disappear are perfect. The raw canvas can be a little tough on the feet, but with the no-show socks, you still keep the silhouette, you still keep the colors and everything looking. You just have that little bit of hidden protection. For my jewelry today, I'm rocking my daily carries. I have my rings, including my Aura ring, my bracelet, and my new Galaxy watch. And of course, my necklace. For the scent, for the last couple weeks, I've been rocking this Wanted by Azzaro. Depending on when you watch this, I have a campaign with them coming up either before or after this video is posted. For this one, they're Most Wanted. I like this one a lot. I think Taylor's favorite of my colognes is this Wanted. This Most Wanted though, it goes better with fall. It's a little bit more punchy, it's a little bit cooler, it's got a little bit more spiciness to it. So that's what I'll be rocking today. And that's the fit.